Are you craving a delicious dessert but want to keep it healthy? Today, we're making a mouth-watering carrot cake that's not only gluten-free, but also sugar-free. Whether you're managing dietary restrictions or just looking to indulge guilt-free, this cake is perfect for you. Stay with us as we guide you through each simple step to create this wholesome, irresistible treat. From grating fresh carrots to whipping up a creamy, sugar-free frosting, we'll show you how easy and fun baking can be. Hi, I'm Madison, and welcome to our kitchen. Let's dive into the world of gluten and sugar-free baking with this delightful carrot cake recipe. Trust me, you won't miss the gluten or the sugar. I will list the ingredients now, and you can pause the video and take a screenshot of this page with the list printed. And while you are paused, hit the like button. It really helps our channel. The ingredients for this cake are 2 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 large eggs, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, half a cup of coconut oil melted, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk or any other dairy-free milk, 1/4 cup of honey or a sugar-free sweetener, adjust according to taste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of grated carrots, half a cup of chopped walnuts, this is optional, half a cup of raisins, this is optional as well. Once you have assembled your ingredients, let's get started. Remember to pause the video as you complete each step. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line an 8-inch round cake pan with parchment paper. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and salt. 3. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat the eggs. Then add the unsweetened applesauce, melted coconut oil, almond milk, honey or sweetener, and vanilla extract. Mix well until combined. 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Do not overmix. 5. Fold in carrots and add-ins. Fold in the grated carrots, chopped walnuts, and raisins, if using. 6. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. 8. Prepare the frosting. The ingredient list is on the screen here. Pause the video to take a screenshot. In a medium bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter together until smooth. Add the powdered erythritol and vanilla extract and beat until light and fluffy. If the frosting is too thick, add almond milk a tablespoon at a time until the desired consistency is reached. 9. Frost the cake. Once the cake is completely cooled, frost the top with the prepared frosting. Decorate with additional chopped walnuts or shredded coconut if desired. 10. Serve. Slice and serve. Enjoy your gluten-free and sugar-free carrot cake. There you have it. I hope you love this super healthy gluten-free and sugar-free carrot cake. This cake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great videos.